All right, I want to adjust the white balance on this image in Affinity. You want to make sure that you're within develop. So if you're not, so let's go back to say the pixel page, and you want to see this option here, develop, in order to go to that. If you've selected something else on here, let's say for example, the marquee tool, you'll notice I don't have an option of going into develop. Go to the move tool and that'll bring it up for you. And then within develop, this is where you can actually adjust your white balance. So there's an auto white balance tool, which you can select over here on the left. And then you select within the image somewhere and you can see it's adjusting my white balance. What you want is a middle gray card. I don't have that. So I'm kind of going off this gray area. That does it pretty well. You can also go over to the right here. Within basic, you've got white balance, and then you can adjust more fine tuning by adjusting your temperatures within there as well. So that's how you adjust white balance within Affinity.